Hello, everyone, and welcome back. With so many different types of malware and cyber attacks occurring every day, My Computer Works wants to talk to you about how built in virus protection that's already on your computer is keeping you safe. So, we're not talking about the virus protection software or antivirus that you can purchase and add to your PC, but rather the built in virus protection you already have from day one. So, first, let's talk about the three main operating systems on the market that do come with built in virus protection. Now, those are going to be Windows, Mac, and Linux OS. So, first on the list was Windows operating system, currently the most used operating system on the market. Now, Windows was created by Microsoft, and with it comes a built in virus protection labeled Windows Defender. Mac OS, which was made by Apple, comes with XProtect built in. And if you're like me and you like to play around or use Linux for specific purposes, then Clam AV could be a solid AV option. But most Linux distributions have a built-in privilege separation model that actually helps limit malware impact or the ability for malware to cause damage. And due to it being open source, it is constantly having security vulnerabilities patched through frequent updates. So now that we know the operating systems that have built-in virus protection and what the different software for each is named, let's discuss what it does. So, built-in virus protection does exactly what it sounds like. It's pre-built into your system so that from the moment you finish installing and setting the operating system up, it's already running without you having to do anything. And what it does is monitor files on your PC. It compares them to a database of known threats to identify and quarantine potential risks until you, the user, decide to remove the item from the computer or move it out of quarantine. Now, if you keep your operating system up to date and the built-in virus protection up to date by ensuring you are regularly updating your computer, the built-in virus protection can be a very cost-effective way of using the optimized virus protection that was built for your operating system without having the hassle of trying to manage and pay for any additional protection on the computer. Now, if you have any additional questions about how the built-in virus protection on your computer works, or what antivirus would be a good fit to pair with the built-in virus protection, reach out to My Computer Works.